Namaste everyone. So before learning about HTML, the basic thing that is required for learning HTML is the setup. We need an application, we need a software, or let us say platform, which help us to run HTML. For that, we will download an IDE like Integrated Development Environment, which help us to run HTML. So throughout this course, we are going to use the IDE called Visual Studio Code. So we are going to download that. For that one, we need a browser. So let us say I have opened Google Chrome here. You can open any browser. You can open Firefox. You can open Microsoft Edge. So after you have gone to your browser, you have to search VS Code download. So you will get the first link over here, VS Code. And after going over here, if you have got Mac, then you can download for that. If you have got Linux, you can download for Linux. If you have got Windows, you can download for Windows. You can basically, I have got Windows over here. So that's why I'm going to download the VS Code for Windows. You can see over here. Here we have got for Linux also and for Mac also. So let us go with Windows. After that, you will see that the download is started over here. So we are just going to skip this video until the download will be finished. So our download has been finished. Now let us see. So we should have to click on this three dot, then downloads, or you can delete place. Control Z under keyword, and you can see download history over here. So we have got VS Code. Now you can click it from here, or you can click on this folder icon where you can see the download, and then you can double click on this VS Code user setup, and then the download will start for you. So just accept all the thing and click on next. And the basic mistake which users do or developers do while they are trying to install VS Code is that they do not mark this option. So you'll have to mark this option over here, add open with code, extend to Windows file context menu, and same like that the second one and others also. I guess this third and fourth is already marked for you. And click on next, the download will start for you, install. Then you can see that the download is processing now. Now I have already downloaded the VS Code, so I won't continue with this part. I'll just exit this. After you have downloaded VS Code, then you can see that the VS Code is downloaded over here. We can see that in our start menu. Simply press Windows button in your keyboard and then search VS Code. You can see something like this. Click on that, your VS Code will open. So after your VS Code will open, there are some certain setup that you must have to do. So I will tell you that. In the left hand side, you can see the variety of options. Now over there, you have to go to the extension part. Okay? Where in extension part, you have got few extensions required to be downloaded at first before you are learning HTML over here. Now we will go throughout that. So first one is the prettier code. So you have to download this prettier code. So this one, the basically second one, you have to download, you have to install this one so that your code will look nice. Whenever we're writing some code, it will look dull. Right? That's the problem of the developer. The code does not look good. So this prettier code will help to make your code look attractive for the other users so that they can read it easily. While there are no other extensions that have to be downloaded now, but as we go through the journey like learning CSS, JavaScript, or any other kind of technologies, then we are going to download all these extensions which have been listed over here. So you are going to download all the extensions later on while we are learning new things. So for today, thank you and hope you're understanding things and hope you will join our course and learn a lot of things from us. And please don't forget to comment if you haven't understood any kind of thing. We are there for you so that we could solve the problems. Thank you.